What's up, world? Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mix Master Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. Since it's New Year's Eve around the corner, 2020 is amongst us, we're going to teach you how to make a raspberry collard. Now we have our drink out the way. Let's go with what it takes to make a raspberry collard. We have Chambord, gin, sweet and sour mix, and club soda. Now we have our ingredients out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. In making this drink, we're gonna put an ounce of gin. After we put our ounce of gin, we're gonna accompany it with a ½ ounce of Chambord. And we're gonna follow that up with some sweet and sour mix. We're gonna fill this up. And then we're gonna come behind with some club soda. Now only thing left to do is garnish. And we're gonna garnish with a lime and a raspberry on a toothpick. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect raspberry collards. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go to our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.